Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to move project to another team on Asana. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own Asana account. It's pretty much simple. So launch in a browser of your choice. From the browser, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type asana.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Asana. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign up. After signing up successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to move project to another team. So moving project from one team to another, here's what you do. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen and see a couple icons with labels. You see your home, you see my tags, inbox, reporting, portfolio goals, and project. So select the project that you want to work on. So I'm working on the first project, which is community project plan. Now I want to move this project, community project plan, to this other team, which is a cross-functional project plan. Or I'm going to move it to this other project team so that they can start working on what's there. So if I want to do that, all I have to do is head over to where I have the project name, community project plan, and click on this drop down menu here that has project icons. So you're gonna see a couple of icons, icons of course representing diverse features. So head over to here where you find export. So in this export, you're gonna find an extended menu here too. So go ahead and click on CSV. As you can see here, you see that this has already been exported and it has been saved in my device folder. So I'm gonna have to open up this second project or the second team where, remember I said I want to transfer the project, so I want to transfer this community project plan to cross-functional. All right, so I'm gonna have to open up the second project team where I want to transfer the first one to. So here, go over here to project actions again, and over here to import. Now import, head over to CSV. Once you click on CSV, click on this, select the CSV file, and I'm going to click on what I exported, of course, which is that. Click on open, and you see that this is exactly what I exported, 9 rows as tags. So I'm just going to click on, you can make changes if you want to, or just click on go to project, and go to project. Here it says, look at this banner that says it's important. So once it has imported successfully, I'm going to be notified. All right. So it says it has been added successfully. How do I know? Scroll all the way down to where you find to do, and you see that all of this, the tags have been imported successfully. So I have been able to move this community project plan to this. This is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.